Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm showing you how to make this easy and delicious honey soy pork. It only requires 6 ingredients which are very easy to find and I bet you have them in your kitchen. But before we begin, if you're new here, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe and let's get started. You will need pork, onions, some cilantro or dhania, honey, cooking oil and soy sauce. Start by heating up your pan, then you add in your cooking oil. Let it get hot so that the pork can fry nicely. Put in your pork in the hot oil. For perfect searing, make sure that your pan is wide enough and not so many pieces of pork are crowded. Allow the pork to sear till it's golden brown throughout. Be patient a little before you turn over, and once the pork is brown on the lower side, you can stir in so that every other single piece of pork can get browned. This whole process could take a while, say 20 to 30 minutes. Allow me to plug you in with my 2 recipe books. One is a breakfast recipe book with mostly gluten-free recipes, while the other is a dinner/lunch recipe book, each with a meal plan. Details on how to get either or both is on the description box below. Be sure to check it out. After 20 to 30 minutes, your pork cubes will be nice and golden brown, and at this point, that's when you're going to add in the soy sauce and your honey as well as your onions. Then you stir everything till well combined and allow to cook for about a minute or 2 for all the flavors to gel in. You can see I'm scraping off the fond, which is equal to flavor, and the pork is already looking succulent and delicious. Finally, you put off the fire, add in your cilantro or rather the dhania leaves and stir, and your pork will be pretty much ready to serve. You can serve with any side of your choice and vegetables, whether potatoes or ugali or rice, and some veggies on the side. You will see at the end of the video, I served with some baked potatoes and stir-fried bell peppers and carrots. Remember, a detailed recipe is up on the blog. This meal is so good. I'm certain once you try it, it will become a regular in your household. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video if it was helpful, and also subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.